Hi and welcome to a FortiWeb video on using Let's Encrypt certificates. This time we'll review wildcard domain name support. Before we begin, let me quickly explain the purpose of this feature. A Let's Encrypt certificate serves as an alternative to a traditional CA certificate, allowing FortiWeb to authenticate with clients over HTTPS. Just provide your application's domain names, and FortiWeb will handle obtaining the certificate from Let's Encrypt. FortiWeb supports wildcard Let's Encrypt certificates, allowing you to secure multiple subdomains under a single primary domain. This simplifies SSL and TLS management and eliminates the need for multiple certificates. In use case 1, we'll demonstrate configuring a Let's Encrypt wildcard certificate to cover a.domain.com, b.domain.com, c.domain.com, and example.com. Let's get started. The first step is to create a Let's Encrypt certificate with a wildcard domain name. Navigate to Server Objects, then to Certificate and Let's Encrypt. Click Create New and enter the name, domain name, and type, and click OK. Then, on the newly created Let's Encrypt certificate, click Edit and create a new domain member. Once added, click OK. Here are some key considerations when using wildcard domain names. The domain name and SAN must point to the same public IP address. Up to 99 SAN items are supported. Make sure the domain names do not overlap. For example, star.wc_example.net cannot be added together with k.wc_example.net. The wildcard only matches with the string within the same domain level. For example, k.example.com matches with star.example.com, while k.example.com does not. To reference the Let's Encrypt certificate in a server policy, go to Policy, Server Policy, select the desired policy, and click Edit. Scroll down to the Let's Encrypt section, select the certificate, and click OK. Thank you for watching.